Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting the Addo searching and then the day the kanya wo dey ehwe me a mesre na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell on so ubenya notification and it's an news said betun bia ubenya bi atie anase ubenya bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha video bi circulate ewo social media na video no Oman Penindada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni video na circulate ewo social media na oko video na se amanfo bebre ama comment omo akere omo adwen ewo ho na eno na girl bi a oye nurse ono so ode no comment ato ho na wakere na adwen na ne nsem a okay na ne se oye nurse na Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama ontie ewo me se eneme mu ayedin enye Ghana hanko a the whole world eneme mu ayedin na wodwani ekire mu Ghana ha no ma NDC fo mo kasa Ghana fo bi kasa na nado aye se nda se ochina sensen bebre ne no na nurse no ekire se ewo me se oman ni mu ayedin na enso enye ensem ekoso wenti na coming 2024 election ye besan so akoto aba ama Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama dabi ebi ensida apu because omo kai there His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeye president why ama omo appreciate everything enti enyema kakra ekoso na within a short time here nyeme mu ayedin no be Nana do ama na adofo video na circulate no video Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama why ne dada abra ofi abemu no na oye sa video no na enam se eniema enhyeda enkoyi omani mu ayedin na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na afen so NPP amayoko no omode ani akire mu ewo IMF nti na bloggers ni bi na afen so media platforms ni bi no repost video Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama na sa video no na manfo bebre ma comment was na adofo video na emu nsem na ne se Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama na oka se abra His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na afen so NPP for omo opposition Oman Penindada Mahama president no and Mahama why you say Mahama ye incompetent onim de oye na nda ochina say cedi na ye say dollar na ye rate sorry dollar na ye say emu nsem bebre na NDC for ka na no Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama efi abema NPP for ba na ochire say abra na me yo man panini nsem bebre na mo kan mo si menima membu me incompetent me ye say na me ka kire mo say mo twen na akondwa no mo kotena so bia na mo behu nia eko akondwa na so tena enye easy kura enti no me ka kire mo say mo metena akondwa ne so bi enti mo ka de mo ka no mo wo say no mo ya president mo say mo ayeden na wo hwe comment ni me bi mo so kire say Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama o ka sadia na kire say akondwa no bibi wo so akotena so automatically na wo refi bibia enti no say African fo na bibi tumi yenya abrofo no de bibi antumi wan enti mo nton Ghana e ma omo na omo mehwe ye nso na de mo ye de ehu so ene se obi aboba be dada ye nsa na de ye kan ye boa enti ensem we na ekọ so ewo comment Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama ni video a ode amanfo repost e wo social media no comment we bi na ekọ so ewo video na snadofo yentie video no emu nsem kakra.
So yeah, we can do all our roads. We don't need to borrow money from this. We'll put tolls and this and then. If the fundamentals are weak, the foreign exchange will expose you. And then it is cash flow. I come there, Ghana near Ohiyama, and then and yes, I'm your money in Anomkai. And I'm saying, Montana Soda. And say you don't have the experience. What's Nasa now? Who send ya? Akunyani city and the kind of difficulties. Sorry, we can do all our roads. We don't need to borrow money from this. We'll put tolls and this and then. If the fundamentals are weak, the foreign exchange will expose you. And then it is cash flow. I come there, Ghana near Ohiyama, and then and yes, I'm your money in Anomkai. And I'm saying, Montana Soda. And say you don't have the experience. What's Nasa now? Who send ya? Akunyani city and the kind of difficulties.
Adofo ye na yate ensem a Oman Penindada John Dramani Mahama de etudwa e woni video ni mu na yentie comment nurse ni no enso emai e wa bra video no ebeto social media nurse ni no kire say and I quote I am a nurse Mahama listen We understand that things are hard and it is not Ghana only. The whole world is facing the same crisis. So the fact that Ghanaians are complaining under Akufo-Addo's administration does not mean we want you back. Apu, you think we are fools? Your government was such a useless one. We love you, Nana, no matter what. We appreciate everything you have done for us. In some way, and ebetro ede eto video a circulate e social media no ase.
Hwade media for ye nne. Wo mu gina ho a wo mu di nsɛmfo. Your Papa Rollins time. There was that famous bill called the and you're right to something libel law, criminal libel law. Criminal libel law was there. In 2 years, sebi Captain Jimmy say free for bodamfo, say one yo, say Caleb Jimmy say one a bodamfo bia journalist bia obiano, untumen sorry keke. So obiama was can two ba betra be super obua. Rollins time what one ya be foul. Near be foul so I am found medafie no. Now bubulench na wan say yeah. Oba he rob. No doubt about it. Oba he rob, no doubt about it. Cry. Me am come chiro. Say Rollins say akwa ye den. Say obesi cathedral. Now we be gina say and Rollins say kwasia Radon family born in Chemi. Rollins basic cathedral na come dey the basic cathedral and I come dey. What the radio no so ye de da na yasoma. Why? Into the akoso na Jimmy, what to why Jimmy na criminal libel law. Ye de be so mu say bodamfo bi na o ma do akọ. Ye ko twa chimpre. Ya torture wa adoko wa nti ye nya wo no wan kasa na why you saying. Watch na ya no akotena radio so Jimmy. Why? Me say what the me oh rade yankopon. Ya Papa Rollins time. Wo dia wo se journalist Captain Smith oh ano. Kokasa. Ko Jimmy wo dia koye na asantefo na igbefo wo dia ko Jimmy Rollins eba. Na dia efe wo muni so no sometimes no no tie radio no no atumi tena ka mu ba ho. Na dia twen no ho. Twen Rollins wo ho. Media fo ene dia Akufo-Addo abahye bone meka me papa ya abahye bone. Akufo-Addo abahye bone ahyam bone nti ene kwase bia na wafa camera na de esi nadim na wo kan kwase asem dia wo kakura won te ase so na wo yedede nkwa obaya o se we repeal criminal libel law ene na omutu ani no otu ani entertainment Ghanaian ladies won ene ye me papa kwaku abudani won ukoyi criminal libel law free wo de wo gene se na ya me ya Ghana fo ankasa ye nipa bone naturally they are not all meow. You have no media freedom like that. Right to information now pay. Sika government spending and oh confirm when we could be some wasem. Say Rollins akoto moto. And two could be sky the toy they said here. Okuja to kakaure ure de no. Okuja to block wa kakaure ure et Ghana service one what way. President to toothpaste ni now calculate mano. But on utiri kakaure ure de o to be Thomas cream. The opebia the year home or toto cream at the sra home and kama. Akufo-Addo kofa toto cream ya ne de ho onse da bi. Ye dwa. The stupid media, foolish media who has chosen say, yeah, they are buying settle yen. Into one settle yen, we will not speak of your goodness. And one may come at the end, yes, you how. It's a dumbass media that we have in Ghana right now. With the exception of a few who are really doing something. But 98% of them bogus and crazy for making crazy for no be or tear cra will be a washer man and him ye. What continent university them no name say inflation matters to economy. No, we say digitization matters to economy. GDP matters to economy. Now politics into why you giant bet right now say one thing say dogo bi no abe. One no young crazy for no. Sana me person mi chirim. Enti enyo bi o tie kura. Enyo bi o tie kura.